ISTQB Foundation Level version 508. Which of the following statements correctly describes the role of impact analysis in maintenance testing? A. Impact analysis is used when deciding if a fix to a maintained system is worthwhile. B. Impact analysis is used to identify how data should be migrated into the maintained system. C. Impact analysis is used to decide which hotfixes are of the most value to the user. D. Impact analysis is used to determine the effectiveness of new maintenance test cases. Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss new ISTQB questions and answers that will help you guaranteed enhancing your skills. Join us on this learning journey. If you find value in that I do and my videos help you, then you have the option to donate through the links in the video description to I can release new videos on ISTQB questions on a regular basis. Correct answer is A, according to ISTQB Syllabus. Impact analysis may be used to identify those areas of the system that will be affected by the fix, and so the extent of the impact, e.g. necessary regression testing, can be used when deciding if the change is worthwhile. Risk and effort needed for testing after a modification. Whether the change is worthwhile by evaluating its impact on functionality, performance, and stability. All the rest of the answers are wrong. Answer B is not correct. Although testing migrated data is part of maintenance testing, impact analysis does not identify how this is done. Data migration analysis is separate from impact analysis. Answer C is not correct, because hotfixes are prioritized based on business and user needs, not impact analysis. Impact analysis shows which parts of a system are affected by a change, so it can show the difference between different hotfixes in terms of the impact on the system. However, it does not give any indication of the value of the changes to the user. Answer D is not correct, because impact analysis helps identify what to test, but not the effectiveness of test cases. Impact analysis shows which parts of a system are affected by a change. It cannot provide an indication of the effectiveness of test cases. My recommendation: please remember maintenance testing to pass STFL exam. Explanation. Finally, let's look at the section 2.3 maintenance testing in the ISTQB syllabus, where we can see that impact analysis may be done before a change is made. This is consistent with the correct answer A. This question is some difficult, but I am sure that you figure out with them and obviously pass the Certified Tester Foundation Level exam. Don't stop, never give up.